Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I will be showing you how to pay with Venmo at Target. This is a quick and easy guide for anyone looking to use their Venmo balance or linked bank account for a seamless checkout experience at Target app. Let's dive in. The first step is open the Venmo app. First, open your Venmo app and make sure you are logged in. Double check that your Venmo account is fully set up with either a linked bank account or a balance to cover your purchases. If you are using a Target gift card as well, you can combine it with Venmo during checkout. Step 2 is shop on the Target app or website. Now open the Target app or go to target.com on your browser. You can browse and add all the items you want to add to your cart. Once you are ready to check out, click on your cart and proceed to checkout. Now, step 3 is select payment options. At checkout, you will see a few payment options. Look for more payment options and select it. From the list, choose PayPal. Venmo is part of PayPal, so this option will allow you to pay with Venmo. Remember this, Venmo is part of PayPal. Now step 4 is sign in with PayPal and choose Venmo. You will be redirected to PayPal. Sign in with your PayPal account. If you are prompted here, you should see an option to select Venmo as your payment method. Choose Venmo and it will process the payment through your Venmo balance or your linked bank account. Step 5 is confirm payment on Venmo. Once you select Venmo, review the details to make sure everything's correct. When you are ready, confirm the payment. You should receive a confirmation from both Venmo and Target, showing that your payment was successful. Step 6 is complete your purchase. And that's it. Target will send you a receipt to your email and you are all set. Just wait for your items to arrive or pick them up if you are shopping for in-store pickup. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you pay with Venmo and Target, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and lifestyle tips. See you in the next video.